welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful style right here from the Wig Company. This is exclusive at the Wig Company, so you cannot find it anywhere else except for the Wig Company. This here style is from their Statements collection, and one thing I really love about the Statements collection from the Wig Company is the price point. It allows people to get their hands on a beautiful wig at a great price point. Now, I have shared this hairstyle before in some past reviews, but I have not shared it in this here color. This color is so beautiful. Let's talk about it. This here color is F430, and the style that you see is called Rock Me. Rock Me is a gorgeous synthetic lace front wig. Now let's talk about this beautiful color, and then we'll move on to Rock Me. F430 is part of the brunette options. It is described as a blend with dark brown and red. Let's take a closer look at that. Now, I do have some bedroom light and a ring light. However, the sun has gone down, although I usually have sunlight coming in. So right now, you just have the ring light and bedroom light, and this is what it looks like. Probably a little bit darker than what you see when you are looking at this color in sunlight. Let me lighten up that ring light. Maybe that will help. Yeah, that does help a little bit so you guys can see that color and the dimension. Very, very pretty dark brown with some red in there. If you are a fan of those rich colors with some red in there, some auburn, some of that dark red intermixed with your brunette, by all means, check this out because it is beautiful. Now, Rock Me is a true customer favorite, and I can see why, because not only is the price incredible, but this is a longer style with a lace front. The style is really, really pretty. And the nice thing is you have heat-friendly synthetic fibers. So honestly, you could take your heat tools at a low setting, you could straighten this, you could add more wave, more curl, and just, you know, change it up to fit your style preferences. Now, this is straight out of the box, and I feel like the fibers look incredible. This has a hand-tied hairline. It is very, very pretty. Now, because this is such a dark wig, you do have a little bit of knotting, but really, for the price, this is a fantastic option. It has a very natural density and then just beautiful soft waves towards the end of the style. You have some layers as well. In fact, let's do a full turnaround so you can see Rock Me from all angles. You have these nice layers up front that, you know, feather into the rest of the layering within this long style. It's nice and light in denier and density at 4.0 ounces. Now let's take this beautiful Rock Me wig off and show you the underside. For the price, this is fantastic. You have this monofilament lace front that extends into a left monofilament part. These areas are individually hand-tied, meant to look like natural hair growth. This allows you to wear the hair off the face, but of course you can use that long front fringe and have it side sweeping if that's what you'd like to do. Now, to the side of that left mono part, you do have some closed wefting, and those wefts have just a slight amount of permatease right up in the top part of those wefts. That just gives this Rock Me style a little bit more oomph at the crown, you know, gives it that great silhouette, because overall it's nice and light and smooth, but having just a slight amount of permatease on the very top part of those wefts up in that crown to the side of that part, it just adds to the volume and the whole beautiful look of this style. Now, the rest of this wig, however, is open wefted. That's nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation. Also, it allows them to keep the price point lower when you have a machine wefted wig. Now, with these ear tabs, you do have a slight amount of velvet lining, and then the wefts actually curl around the ear tab, as you can see. Then you have a velvet lined nape with the adjusters at the nape. Here is a closer look of that color. Oh my goodness. Up close, under that ring light, you can definitely see the dimension of that gorgeous shade. You have that dark brown, you have that, you know, reddish blend. So, so pretty. Here is the silhouette of that style. You have that slight wave down at the bottom. It's very relaxed and looks really natural. Like I mentioned, the density is quite natural as well. And this is heat friendly, so, you know, go ahead and smooth it, add more waves or curls, you know, just have fun. Here is that part. I mean, just incredible price. I will have the links to this here wig on the Wig Company's website down below, so you can check that out. You just can't beat the price, the length, that lace front, that, you know, left part, just fabulous. Okay, let's put her back on. So you have a 7.5 inch front. Your top is also 7.5 inches. Your sides are 9 inches, and the back is 7 3/4 inches. So this is a long style. You'll want to carry around a wide tooth comb. You can keep those fibers nice and smooth, you know, to avoid that friction frizz or any tangling that might happen. But, you know, these fibers are beautiful. They look real straight out of the box, not overly shiny. You don't even need to add any dry shampoo or anything to tame that sheen. Honestly, I am very impressed with Rock Me from the Wig Company by the Statements collection. Just incredible. I've always loved this hairstyle from the Statements collection. It is one of my favorites from this collection. And I'm just really happy to share this style with you in this beautiful dark rich color. You guys go follow the Wig Company on their social media platforms and sign up for their newsletters so you can be aware of, you know, any deals or promos that are going on. They have a wide range of other wig brands and colors available on their website, so definitely check them out. All links will be down below. Go follow me on Instagram and my social media platforms as well, and please like and subscribe if this was helpful. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please let me know what you think about this gorgeous color, this lovely style, and the price. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below. Anyway, thanks again, and I will see you guys later. Bye.